Joseph Bray.
I'm Alex Land. My name's Jason Hutt.
So my name's Kelvin Butler.
We're PSL Data Trap.
I'm Kelvin Farr.
Andy Old.
John Stover. Sonicam UK.
Ed Green.
Fred Dulwich.
Neil Wood. Tim Hardcastle.
Simon Harkis.
Richard Floyd.
Stuart G.
FSE, we're a swarf and chip management company.
So we work with Star because Star manufacture and supply brilliant world-class machines into our industry that our material actually goes onto.
Star are experts in automation, and Bloom Nova Test help with process control, so we can help their customers control their process.
We use Star machines to produce our parts. We've got 3 of them machines at our manufacturing facility in Chelmsford.
The benefits for Star customers with this short magazine bar feed, they can run lights out to get full production without any manning.
Well, we've had a really great relationship to Star. Our units are now supplied as an option on their great machines, and they actually install them and actually send them to the customer with them on to start saving oil as soon as the machines are in the company's facilities.
So we're pleased to be part of Star's Open Day here because, like Mitutoyo, they do a great product.